Hi, I'm Steve Roberts. I'm the CTO at Hallmarq and I'm the lead developer for our small animal MRI machine. This is a model machine here, and we're very proud that we received a Queen's Award for Innovation this year for this product, and so I'm here to answer some questions. So initially Hallmarq, we were in the equine MRI and we did that for a number of years, but we always felt at the appropriate time we would get into the small animal market. We have a lot of MRI expertise and we developed a lot of veterinary experience as well. And so a few years ago we decided it was appropriate to use our skills to develop a bespoke product that could really address the small animal market using our skills and experience. So we initially did a market research, talking to a number of vets across the globe, and we got a lot of good feedback on what things they liked about current solutions and what things they'd like to see in a potentially new product. And so then we took those on board, and then we, using our experience and working with some collaborators, we developed some key innovations, particularly with the RF coils. The RF coils are the antennas. This is a model of the head coil here. You can see it's detachable. It's a lot longer than a head coil you'll find in a human MRI machine. And you'll also notice that the bed is V-shaped, again making positioning the dog a lot easier. And this door here is quite unique. Again, because the animals are anaesthetized, we have the opportunity to use the magnet itself as an RF shield, which saves a lot of money for the site and makes sighting a lot easier. So these innovations really came back through feedback from this market research and talking to our customers. And then when we put the product out into the market, we got a lot of feedback, particularly on things, new applications, new imaging techniques, the software. More than half the product is software. So a lot of our innovations are on the software side. But also we've changed the design as a consequence of some of that feedback, and we have regular meetings with our customers. So it's a real interactive process, using our experience and skills, but also getting a lot of feedback from our customers. Well, I think what they like, obviously, the fact they have a very bespoke system which is tailored for imaging cats and dogs. This here, I say, the coils is a big thing, and the patient handling here, having the V-shaped bed makes a big difference to position the dog. We also have a V-shaped spine coil, which is quite unique. It's a very long coil, much longer than a normal coil, and that allows the operator to put the dog on the bed, position within the magnet, and then move the bed along without having to reposition the dog to scan different parts of the spine. The software itself is a big thing, having that veterinary specific software, veterinary applications. But I think the real thing that customers appreciate is our Q-Care. It's our ability to have very bespoke and experienced support team who can address their needs. We obviously have a lot of experienced MRI people like myself, and we have radiographers in the company, but we're very focused on the veterinary market, and we know a lot about how to get good images, patient handling, scan protocols. So it's this Q-Care package that really is the big thing I think customers appreciate. Well, there's a lot of innovation still in this product. We get a lot of feedback from our customers. We now have regular clinical meetings every quarter with our small animal customers. In fact, we had one last month, a lot of interesting feedback there. And there were some features they wanted in the software, which I'm pleased to announce we'll put into a release which should come out next month. So that's a real interactive process there. So I think a lot of the innovations will be in software, but we're still looking at new coils. So this coil here is one of our standard medium-sized head coils, a model obviously. It moves onto the bed, and the whole bed slides in like this, and then the door closes. But we're looking at new coils. We're looking at particularly a stifle coil, a longer flex coil, and so we're always looking to push the product, and it's all about image quality, ease of use and reliability.